Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will show you how to block someone on TikTok without viewing profile. So let's dive right in. Unfortunately, TikTok does not directly provide any procedure to accomplish this. But there is a trick to do that. Here are the steps. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can see all your TikToks and settings. Next, locate the Followers button right next to your profile picture and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the users who are currently following you. Scroll through the list and find the user you want to block. You can either manually scroll or use the search bar at the top to quickly find them. Once you've found the user, tap on their profile to open it. Then, tap on the Share button at the top right corner of their profile page. This will open a menu of options. From the menu, select the option that says Block. TikTok will then ask you to confirm your decision to block this user. Confirm by tapping Block again. Now, once you block a user, tap on the Profile View icon at the top. Then, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now here, tap on the toggle button to turn off your profile views. And that's it. Now the user cannot see your profile in thier profile views. Also, they will no longer be able to view your profile, videos, or interact with your content in any way. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy TikToking!